Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video lecture we will study a very important network theorem, that is maximum power transfer theorem. It gives the maximum power transfer to load. So first we talk about the applicability of this theorem. This theorem is applicable only when load is variable. Okay, so the first condition is for the applicability of maximum power transfer theorem that load must be variable, and it is applicable to linear networks, and it is also applicable to both active and passive networks. Now, this MPT can be understood by taking three cases. In first case, suppose the total circuit is resistive. Okay, source resistance and load resistance are both resistances. Okay, in this case, for MPT, Rs must be equals to RL. And what is maximum power transfer? That is equals to Vs square by 4RL or Vs square by 4Rs. Okay, and here one more important point you must remember, that efficiency of circuit at maximum power transfer is equals to 50%. Okay, you can also derive it. Now take the second case. Here in the second case, suppose the source impedance is Rs plus jXs and the load impedance is RL plus jXl. Now in this case, we have to find the condition of maximum power transformer. See, here three cases are possible. As I already told you, for the applicability of MPT theorem, load must be variable. Now, this load can be variable in three ways. First, suppose RL is variable. Okay, I write it as, suppose this is resistance, write it as RL is variable and XL is constant or fixed. In this case, the condition is RL must be equals to under root of Rs square plus XS square plus XL square, XS plus XL and whole square of this. Okay, if resistance is variable and reactance is fixed, in this case RL is given by Rs square plus XS plus XL square. Okay, now take the second case. Here, if RL is fixed and XS is variable, XL is variable, then in this case the condition for maximum power transfer is XL is equals to minus XS. Now take the third case. In third case, these both resistance and reactance can be variable. Suppose RL is variable and XL is also variable. In this case, the condition for maximum power transfer is XL is equals to minus XS, because here XL is variable, so condition for variable XL is equals to minus XS, and here RL is also variable, that's why RL must be equals to RS. So we can say that impedance ZL must be equals to conjugate of this source impedance. See how? Source impedance is equals to Rs plus jXs. Okay, so we can write ZL is equals to Rs minus jXs. So this is the condition when RL is variable and XL is variable. Now see the third case. In this case, suppose this is Vs and this source impedance is Rs plus Gxs, and at the load there is only resistance, and this resistance is variable. In this case, condition of maximum power transfer is RL is equals to Rs square plus Xs square, or that is equals to mod of Zs. Okay, this is Zs. So this is the condition for maximum power transformer if load is resistive and source impedance is complex. Okay, so this is all about the maximum power transfer theorem. So before applying the theorem, you must ensure that what is the nature of load and what is the nature of source impedance, and after that you have to decide which formula you need to apply. So this is all about this video. In my upcoming lecture, I will solve the problems based on this maximum power transfer theorem. Thank you.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.